If you're like me, you're probably thinking to yourself, how can I make more money and do more and contribute more? Well, in this video, I will teach you the best way to achieve your goals, and at the end, make sure you are the very best version you can be. One thing I've learned over the years is people are driven by money. Look, it doesn't matter how noble they are or how they insist they don't care about money. The hard truth is they do. The goals they want to achieve and the things they want to do all require money. You want to help people? You need money to do that. But although people are driven by money, you have to understand the very root of it. To achieve your goals, you have to understand what drives you forward, no matter how bad or good it may be. Understanding one's own self will lead you to a better you. Look, myself, I'm driven by helping renters become homeowners. Another thing you have to keep in mind is never ever make realistic goals. People always say to make your goals realistic. That's a big no-no for me. You know why? That's because if you plan a goal for, let's say, 100 million, and you'll work twice as hard than when you have a goal for 50 million. Having a bright and shining goal in front of you will motivate you. This has worked for me and has worked for my team members as well. Imagine if you planned 100 million in sales by the end of the year as your goal. Unfortunately, you only have managed to hit 80 million. That's still 30 million more than if you planned realistically. And even if you do hit that 100 million, hey, you've managed to do something pretty incredible. So to recap, what you want to do to hit your goals and keep hitting them every time is, number one, understand what drives you. It can help you realign yourself when you've lost track. Number two, plan your goals unrealistically. Set your goals as numbers you know you can achieve, but it's worth a shot. Failing to hit that goal can still set you way ahead than accomplishing a goal you know you can do. If you want more tips and tricks in everything social media, real estate, and achieving your goals, give that subscribe button a smash and share this video to someone you know who may need it.